These are all the fruit trees we have growing in our house. Baobab fruit, tamarind fruit, cashews, no fruits, mangoes. We have two varieties and three mango tree, big mangoes and small mangoes. Have pomegranate. We have guava fruit. We have three fruits. The first time we have fruits. I have soursop. I cut it down a couple of years ago, but right now it's flowering again. We have sour orange, sugar apple, two fruits. We have pineapple. Everything's an apple to the English. I don't know why. Okay. We have passion fruit, two varieties. We have yellow passion fruit and red passion fruit. The yellow one is tastier and smells way better, but the red one is more productive. We have banana trees, small varieties and a big variety. We have papayas, small and big too, and we have avocados. A tree with 7 meters and just one avocado. That's very Japanese. I don't know. That's it, man.